वेलकम टू क्विक रिवीजन। आज स्टार्ट करते हैं मैकेनिज्म ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन। Purpose of respiration is to supply oxygen to cells of the body and remove CO2 from the cells of the body. Two processes take place. First is inhalation and second is exhalation. Taking in air from atmosphere towards lung, exportation of air from lungs into atmosphere. Both processes take place one after the other is called breathing. Diaphragm and rib plays an important role. Diaphragm separate thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Diaphragm is dome shaped. It is attached anterior side with sternum, posterior side with vertebral column. Intercostal muscles are associated with the ribs. So in inhalation, diaphragm moves downward or contract, due to which air pressure inside the lung decrease. Steps in inhalation. When diaphragm moves downward, so size of the thoracic cavity increase, due to which partial pressure of air in lung reduce. As a result, air move in through external nostrils into lungs till there is equilibrium between outer side and inner side pressure. In lungs, air reaches alveoli where oxygen diffuse in alveoli and carbon dioxide diffuse out from alveoli. When all alveoli receive air, lungs expands. Now exhalation. Steps in exhalation. Diaphragm relax and it moves upward. Size of thoracic cavity reduce. As a result, air pressure inside lung increase. As a result, air moves out from lungs into atmosphere. Now respiratory volume and capacity. So first is tidal volume. Normal quiet breathing move approx 500 ml air in and out of lungs. Inspiratory reserve volume. Amount of air forcibly inhaled over the normal volume. IRV between 2500 to 3000 ml. Expiratory reserve volume. Amount of air that can be exhaled forcibly after a normal expiration. Its volume is 1000 ml to 1100 ml. Residual volume. Amount of air remains in the lungs after forcible expiration. Approximately 1100 ml to 1200 ml. Inspiratory capacity. Total volume of air which can be inhaled after normal expiration. IC is equal to TV plus IRV. IC is 3000 ml to 3500 ml. Expiratory capacity. Total volume of air which can be exhaled after normal inspiration. EC is equal to TV plus ERV. EC is 1500 ml to 1600 ml. Functional residual capacity. Volume of air that will remain in lungs after normal expiration. FRC is equal to ERV plus RV. FRC is 2100 ml to 2800 ml. Vital capacity. Total volume of air that can be breathed by a person. Vc is equal to Tv plus IRV plus ERV. Vc is 4000 ml to 4600 ml. Total lung capacity. Amount of air in lungs and respiratory passage after maximum inspiration. TLC is equal to Tv plus IRV plus ERV plus RV, or TLC is equal to Vc plus RV. TLC is 5100 ml to 5800 ml. Now exchange of gases. So first है oxygen. Oxygen alveoli से blood through interstitial fluid to the cells. Carbon dioxide from cells to blood through interstitial fluid to alveoli. Thank you. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel, share, like, comment.